Hydroponics is growing plants without soil. Instead of soil, plants get nutrients from water. This water has everything plants need to grow big and healthy. Hydroponics has many benefits. Plants grow faster and bigger. You use less water than traditional gardening. You can grow food anywhere, anytime. Hydroponics is a fun and rewarding way to grow your food. There are many different ways to grow plants hydroponically. This method of growing plants without soil has gained popularity due to its efficiency and versatility. Let's look at 3 popular methods that are widely used by both hobbyists and commercial growers. First, nutrient film technique, or NFT. This system is known for its simplicity and effectiveness. In this system, plant roots are suspended in a channel, allowing them to absorb nutrients directly. Nutrient-rich water flows continuously over the roots, providing a constant supply of essential nutrients. Second, deep water culture, or DWC. This method is particularly popular for growing larger plants. Plants are placed in net pots filled with growing media, which helps to support the plant structure. The roots grow down into a reservoir of nutrient solution where they can access water and nutrients easily. An air pump provides oxygen to the roots, ensuring they remain healthy and vigorous. Third, ebb and flow, also known as flood and drain. This system is highly adaptable and can be used for a variety of plants. Plants grow in a tray filled with growing media, which provides support and retains moisture. The tray is flooded with nutrient solution at regular intervals, then drained, allowing the roots to receive both nutrients and oxygen. Each system has its advantages and can be tailored to suit different growing needs and environments. The best system for you depends on the plants you want to grow and your available space. Consider your goals and resources to choose the most suitable hydroponic method. Let's build a simple deep water culture, or DWC system. This type of hydroponic system is one of the easiest to set up and maintain, making it perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike. It's easy to set up and perfect for beginners. First, gather your materials. Having everything ready before you start will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. You'll need a container, net pots, an air pump, air stone, growing media, nutrient solution, and your favorite plant. Next, prepare your container. Make sure you have all these items on hand before you begin. Choose a container that is opaque, meaning light can't pass through, and large enough for your plant to grow. This will help prevent algae growth and ensure your plant has enough space to thrive. Drill holes in the lid for the net pots and air tubing. The holes should be just big enough to hold the net pots securely and allow the air tubing to pass through without any leaks. Then set up the air pump. The air pump is crucial as it provides oxygen to the plant roots, which is essential for their growth and health. Connect the air stone to the air pump with the tubing. Make sure the connection is secure to avoid any air leaks. Place the air stone at the bottom of the container. Now plant your seedling. The air stone will help keep the water oxygenated, which is vital for the plant's root system. Fill the net pot with growing media. This will support the plant and allow the roots to grow through the net pot into the nutrient solution. Gently remove your seedling from its starter pot and place it in the net pot. Be careful not to damage the roots during this process. After that, add nutrient solution. The nutrient solution provides all the essential nutrients your plant needs to grow. Fill the container with water, leaving the top inch or two below the net pot. This ensures that the roots have access to both water and air. Add the correct amount of nutrient solution according to the instructions. It's important to follow the guidelines to avoid overfeeding or underfeeding your plant. Finally, place the net pot in the container lid. Make sure it fits snugly and is stable. Make sure the air stone is bubbling. This indicates that the air pump is working correctly and providing oxygen to the water. Congratulations, you've built your first hydroponic system. Now watch your plant grow and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Section 4. Tools for your hydroponic garden. To start your hydroponic garden, you'll need a few essential tools. These tools will help you create an efficient and productive growing environment for your plants. Don't worry, they are easy to find and use. Even if you're a beginner, you'll quickly get the hang of it. Growing media provides support for your plants similar to soil. It helps anchor the roots and allows them to access the nutrient solution. Popular choices include coco coir, which is made from coconut husks and is excellent for water retention, perlite, a lightweight volcanic rock that improves aeration, and clay pebbles, which are great for drainage. The nutrient solution is a special mixture that contains all the essential nutrients that plants need to thrive. This solution is the lifeblood of your hydroponic system. You can buy pre-mixed solutions, which are convenient and easy to use, or learn to mix your own, giving you more control over the nutrient balance. An air pump and air stone work together to provide oxygen to the roots of your plants. This is crucial for healthy root development and overall plant growth. The air pump pushes air through the air stone, creating bubbles in the nutrient solution. These bubbles increase oxygen levels in the water. Maintaining the correct pH level in the nutrient solution is crucial for nutrient absorption. If the pH is too high or too low, plants can't absorb nutrients effectively. A pH meter helps you monitor and adjust the pH level as needed. Regular checks ensure your plants are always in the optimal growing conditions. Section 5. Growing food without soil. A rewarding journey. Growing food hydroponically is a fun and rewarding experience. Imagine fresh homegrown lettuce, tomatoes, or herbs all year round. Starting a hydroponic garden is easier than you think. With a little effort, you can enjoy the benefits of fresh, healthy food grown right in your home.